Welcome to Study Time, a televised home learning program produced by Rwanda Education Board.
Hello, my dear senior 4 students. Hope you are okay. If not, that's my wish. So welcome back in this math lesson. You know, I've been solving equation reducible to the quadratic form. We have equation of this form, ax power n, 2n plus bx power n, yes, plus c equals 0. We had equation of this form, a times the pair of x squared plus b times the pair of x plus c equals 0. Of course, the pair of x is expression in x. We have solved equation of this form, b divided by p of x plus c equals 0. P of x is still equation or expression in x. And you know this equation can be transformed in this form. So the way is the same. You have solved this kind of equations. So you're going to continue with another kind of equations, reducible to quadratic form. But before that, of course, that equation is of this form here. A times x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus b times x plus 1 divided by x, then plus c equals 0. We want to solve this equation, but before that, let us solve this equation. It's like revision. So please take 1 minute to solve this equation. Then after, we move on this kind of another equation. Please, students, take a minute to solve this equation. Hurry up. Have you finished? Not yet? Try your best to finish your exercise. It is not difficult. Are you done? All right. Okay. Follow here on the chalkboard. We write together to see if your answer will be similar to mine, okay? Of course, the challenge is at this expression under radical sign. Here we have 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1. And here we change a bit to have a 4x plus 1 divided by 4x minus 1. So we have to bring this equation in one of the forms we saw before. So this equation can be written like square root of 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1 minus 1 divided by square root of 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1, which is equal to 8 divided by 3. Do you see? This expression under radical sign is the same. So we have equation of this form, a p of x plus b divided by p of x plus c equals 0. Means that if I bring 8 divided by 3 to the left-hand side, the equation looks like this one. And we know how to solve this kind of equation. Isn't it? All right. So we let square root of 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1 equals y. And then our equation is changed. We have y, okay, minus 1 divided by y, which is equal to 8 divided by 3. So this is y squared minus 1 divided by y, which is equal to 8 divided by 3. This is, by cross multiplication, it is a 3, y squared minus 1, which is equal to 8y, and I have 3y squared minus 8y minus 1, which is equal to 0. Solving this equation in y, I'll be having, let me do it here, because I've changed already what I need is this equation. I maintain only this, and I'm going to solve now 3y squared minus 8y minus 1, which is equal to 0. The discriminant, I take minus 8 squared minus 4 times 3, then times negative 1. This is 64. If they don't know it is correct, there's no mistake here. We made a mistake here. When a cross multiplication, this should be negative 3. Negative 3, yes. 3y squared minus 3 is 8y. All right, so this is negative 3. So it means that I have minus 8 squared minus 4 times 3 times negative 3. This is 64 minus this is 9. It will be plus 36, and I get 100. Solving for y, I get 8 plus minus root of 100 is 10, divided by 2 times 8 is 6, means that I have 18. Divided by 6, this is a 3, and 8 minus 10 is minus 2, divided by 6, this is negative 1, divided by 3. So these are the values of y. We are going to find the value of x. So it means that square root of 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1 equals 3. Squaring both sides, I get 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1, which is equal to 9. By cross multiplication, I'll be having 4x minus 1, which is equal to 9 times 4x plus 1 is 36x plus 9. When I move this 36 to the left-hand side, I'll be having minus 32x, which is equal to 10, means that x is equal to negative 10 divided by 36, which is equal to, by 2, it is negative 5 divided by 16. This is 32. 16. Again, square root of 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1 is equal to negative 1 divided by 3, means that 4x minus 1 divided by 4x plus 1 is equal to 1 divided by 9. Then, by cross multiplication, hope you are together, isn't it? Oh, very nice. So I'll be having 9 times 4x minus 1 is 36, x minus 9, which is equal to 4x plus 1. Solving for x, I'll be having 36x minus 4x is 32. X, which is equal to 10. It means x equals 10 divided by 32, which is equal to, by 2, it is 5 divided by 16. So the set of solution, we have different values. We have a negative, yes, negative 5 divided by 16, and 5 divided by 16. Check if your answer is similar to that one. I hope they are the same. Isn't it? All right. So as I was explaining before, we have to solve this equation. Also, this equation can be reduced to the quadratic form. But how? Please be careful. The challenge, it is at this level. X squared plus 1 divided by x squared, and x plus 1 over x. What relationship is between these two expressions? Follow you on the chalkboard. Let me try to expand this expression. X plus 1 divided by x squared. This can be written as you know, it is x squared plus 2 times x, this one, times 1 divided by x, then plus this second expression power 2 is 1 divided by x squared. Do you see? And I'm free to simplify x and x, and I get x squared plus 2 plus 1 divided by x squared. It means that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared plus 2 is equal to 1 plus, no, x plus 1 divided by x squared. So it means that if I want to solve this kind of equation, I have to express this expression in terms of this one. Means that x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, this is equal to x plus 1 divided by x power 2. But when I write x plus 1 divided by x result power 2, I have x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, and I add 2. So these 2 which is added, and it is not in our equation, must be subtract from here. So it means that I subtract 2, and for this, there is no change. Because if I try to expand this, I'll be having from here x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, then I add 2, then minus 2, I remain with x squared plus 1 divided by x squared. I hope it is clear. Thank you very much. Now, we are going to solve our equation basing on this form. We have an example here. We are going to solve this equation in the set of real numbers, right? Then, what we need, it is to express this expression in terms of this one. So it means that, as you know, x squared plus 1 divided by x squared is equal to x plus 1 divided by x power 2, then minus 2. Means that my equation can be written like 3 times x plus 1 divided by x squared minus 2. Are we together? okay? Minus 16 times x plus 1 divided by x plus 26 equals 0. Then I let x plus 1 divided by x to be y. You can also put z, you can put m, you can put t. It's up to you. Me, I choose y. So the equation becomes a 3 times this is y squared, because x plus 1 divided by x is y, then power 2, minus 2, minus 16 times the y, because this is y, then plus 26 equals 0. When I expand this, I have 3 y squared minus 6 minus 16 y plus 26 equals 0. This is 3y squared minus 16 y. 26 minus 6 is 10. Already I have a quadratic equation in y. Let me solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, but as the coefficient of y, I mean b, is even, I can use the reduced determinant or discriminant, which is b dash squared minus ac, where, of course, a is equal to 3, b dash is a half of this, means minus 8, and c is 20. So then I'll be having negative 8 squared minus ac, this is 3 times 20. I get 64 minus 60, which is equal to 4. Then y1 and y2 is given by neg b dash plus or minus out of discriminant reduced divided by a, not 2a, because this is reduced discriminant. So I have neg 8 to be 8 plus square root of 4 is 2 divided by a is equal to 3, and there is 8 minus 2 divided by 3. This is 10 over 3, and here it is 6 divided by 3, which is equal to 2. These are different values of y. Remember that x plus 1 divided by x is equal to y. Then for y equals 10 divided by 3, I'll be having x plus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 10 divided by 3. This equation is similar to this one, x squared plus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 10 divided by 3. Are we together? It is clear? Very nice. So by crossing multiplication, I'll be having 3 times x squared plus 1, which is equal to 10x. This is 3x squared plus 3, which is equal to 10x. Moving this 10x to the left-hand side, I'll be having 3x squared minus 10x plus 3, which is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x. We are going to solve this equation. Still, I'm using the reduced discriminant. This will be equal to the half of 10, negative 10, of course, this is minus 5, squared minus AC. A is equal to 3 times 3. And this is equal to 25 minus 9, and this is 16. So x1 and x2, it will be negative 5 plus or minus square root of 16 divided by a is equal to 3. This is 5 plus 4 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And yet is 5 minus 4 divided by 3. This is 1/3. For the other value of y, I mean this one, y equals to, I'll be having x plus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 2. It means that on the common denominator, it is x squared plus 1 divided by x, which is equal to 2. So by cross multiplication, suppose there is 1 here, it will be x squared plus 1, which is equal to 2 times x. Moving these 2x to the left-hand side, I'll be having x squared minus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 0. Quadratic equation in x. I don't want to waste the time on this by calculating the discriminant or the reduced discriminant or other method, because this is known from senior 2. This is a minus b squared, which is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus 1. So it is not different from this. So it means that this is x minus 1 squared, which is equal to 0. Means that x minus 1 is equal to 0, as the square root of 0 is positive, negative, square root of 0, still it is 0. Solving for x, I get 1. As you are solving equation, we have to give the set of solution. The values of x is this one. We have this one also, yes, and this. It means that the set of solution is, let me start by the smallest one, 1/3, then 1, and the 3. I'm done. Take your time to check that answer, and of course, you write it in your exercise book for reference, or record book. It depends. So go ahead. You may have another example, but I'm not going to solve that exercise, because it is no different from this one. You are going to test if you get the answer, because the method is the same. The exercise is 6 times x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 35 times x plus 1 divided by x, and plus 62 equals 0. You will try to solve that exercise following different steps from the previous one. I mean, there's example number 1. And try to get the solution. After solving, I'm going to give you the solution. You will check if they will be the same. The set of solution, you will be having 1 divided by 3, a half, and 2 and 3. Try to work on this and check if the set of solution will be this one. You have your time. Then after I can't leave you like this, you may have a homework. The homework is made by 5 equations. All those equations, as you see on the screen, 1 and 2 are similar to these ones, 1 and 2. But the last, I mean number 3, 4, and 5, they are somehow different. Let me show you what to do in the case you have that kind of equation. Let me take number 5, the last one. You have 2x power 4 plus 9x cubed plus 9x, 8x squared plus 9x plus 2 equals 0. To bring this equation on this form, you divide the whole equation by x squared. And you will get x, 2x squared plus 9x plus 8 divided by x squared is 8, plus 9 divided by x, plus 2 divided by x squared, which is equal to 0. And you take these together to get 2x squared plus 1 divided by x squared, then plus 9, x plus 9, no, 1 divided by x, then plus 8, which is equal to 0. Do you see? This equation is no different from those ones. So the secret is to take the whole equation, you divide it by x squared, and you group. Also, you can realize that the coefficient here is 2, and here is 2, and also have a 9, and the 9 is here. So this equation, where the terms, or the coefficient for terms occupying the same position, this is the first from left, this is the first from right, this is the second from left, the second from right, the coefficient are the same, is known as the reciprocal equation. Solving that kind of reciprocal equation, you divide the equation by x squared, then you proceed like that to get equation of this form. Easy to solve. Thank you very much for your participation and concentration in mathematics, because I know you need to be concentrated in mathematics. Thank you for having me in this lesson. I hope to meet you next time. I wish you all the best.